What's going on, folks? If you're ever in Louisville and you want to take a nice walk, you can come to Iroquois Park and you can walk all the way up to the top of the park, which is called Lookout Mountain pretty much. It's a very nice trail that you can go to. I'm going to show you what it looks like when I get up to the top of it. Yeah, this park has a lot of trails that goes through it. So if you're a person who likes to get outdoors, then like I said, if you're ever in the Louisville area and you're looking for somewhere to go at, to take your family at, or just to get out and get some exercise. I know it sounds like I'm breathing hard, but Iroquois Park, Lookout Mountain is a great destination for you to go at to get some of that exercise. And when you get to the top of it, there's a nice reward, which is Lookout Mountain, where you can see all over the city of Louisville pretty much. Kentucky Kingdom, the airport, downtown, and all that. We're almost there now. It's not a long walk. It'll probably take you maybe, I'll say if you take the stairs, maybe 5 to 10 minutes to get to the top. So then about the same going down. So maybe about a 20-minute for people just wanting to get some outdoor, exercise. It's a good way of get yourself used to just getting out into nature and getting some good heart work, pretty much. All right, folks. Once again, this is the North Out Overlook at Iroquois Park, which is a great place to go if you just want to see some of Louisville, some of the great sites that we have here. Go ahead and check it out. All right, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.